Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel and welcome to another simple tutorial video here. And in this video I'm going to show you how you can download and install the latest PHP version. So let's start the video. First of all, go to your browser and here type PHP download and enter. As you can see, the first search option is php.net. This is their official website, and under that you can see PHP downloads. Let's click that option and it will redirect you to this page, and here you can see many options, but we are going to download it for Windows. Just click the Windows downloads here, and here you can see two options, non-thread safe and thread safe. We are going to download it for the thread safe, and to download it just click the zip link here, click it here, and as you can see it's already starting the download process, but I already download this file, so let's not download it again. Now first of all, go to your this PC option and select local disk C, and here we have to create a new folder. Just create a new folder, right click it and folder, and after that give it a name, PHP 8.3.0. This is the latest version. And after doing this, go to the download option that I already downloaded the PHP version, and right click it here and select extract file. I'm going to extract all this file into the new created folder, and just go to the C drive, and now you can see the new created folder PHP 8.3.0. Select it and select OK. All the extracted file will be on that folder. So after the process of extraction is completed, go to the file now, go to the folder. This is the folder, click it, and as you can see all the file is here. Now we have to copy the link. To copy it, just click it on the search bar, and you can see this is the path, and copy this link and minimize it, and now go to search option and here type environment, and you can see the option edit the system environment variables. Just double click it to open, and now select the environment variables here, select it, and here you can see the option path. Click it and select edit, and now we have to give the path. Click new and paste the link we previously copied, and select OK, and select OK, and select OK. And after doing all this, our installation is completed. To verify the installation is successful, go to the search option, and here search cmd. That is a command prompt. Click it to open, and here type php -- version and enter. And as you can see, PHP 8.3 is already in my systems, so that means the installation is successful. So this is the video, and I hope to see you guys on the next video.